tro huma wan tro exams e na e pa o say asoafo nipa na di djuma e ma nipa koto aba e na omampanyi bi nya atumi say enunyafo ji afnai kodi djuma we mami enti wo ho a you must think say the people who toil to give that victory for you to be given appointment you must think about them.
Okay.
Enti say wanamonto uniye eye nuamo hu na say nkuko ba na say nkrofo kan wanimu a jitum be humble to accept. That is why I don't fear telling some of the appointees that look, listen to what the people are saying and don't think say you are a thing God.
Thank you.
It is say mu na mo abam mu mante na atiasi oma yewom etimi nyam mante vigilante group ewa aban bi mu a omutimi court e ma judge dwane omutimi police station e ko free nema me and you is it not an insecurity of the state and you have a president calling himself a commander in chief. We must be concerned. Say near konu Debbie Beba say me we be at studio this vigilante can break into this because there is lawlessness. If the security the police station the last resort man say ye tata ye bet nyako say vigilante foi etimi ko break you off like microphone
afi dey order to blow nyawa
to blow
any to
them to want minimum say any concern man that should be the concern of the state and now you want ukosi sala ukosi sala ukokaraga and some part of the country sir.
Thank you.
Aban Krachia or the chairman of security council is not safe, cannot sleep in his home. Reorganization, and we are using it judiciously to give ourselves the needed hope and energy. And come 2020, the battle will be out there. We shall see who is the man.
2020 NDC will lose miserably.
You can say that.
Because Butcher's report, no, and indicted Omanpanyin Dada Mahama. Or say, according to the report, they say NDC campaign message, was full of insulting.
The report here in the
Oh, tie. Apart from that, or say language now no more usually abusive. Report and say we post combative. Ninyina wo mo. Ewo report ni mo. Enti no, sa niema we nyina no make recommendation say going forward no mu yes say beboa enti no de enye obi ana sabi opese or DBB egu o mampanyi dada ni mu ase eno de NDC for masem say mo de ne beba 20 times obe lose 20 times because Ghana for hunu no o meye bibi fufuro bia o hu de meche no yefunu boni nim se masa but the difference is that entafo cry awo mo da kono say obi ana na adwene wo hwe adwempa ye mampanyi na nya no na Akufo Addo ene ne mo de egu akwam hwe enkwada omo wie JHS koye nso he na meba omo enya sukuntu so ewura omanpanyi Mahama Breast san kwada no mu hia no omo awofo tuya fees omanpanyi na Akufo Addo Breast no enkwada omo hia no awofo na ntua
na me teacher na ye di
necessary omanpanyi Mahama ka se ye to abetia na on hwe omo da na Akufo Addo wo hwe nurses no emo allowance kakra
yes
teacher for any that for
analysis is ABC
what you were planting for food and jobs now what apply be
near me teaching
yes
what now what is it what is that too anu see then
azana what ya
food anu see then
anu na odi didi so dem check
you see it's not programs and policies about pragmatic implementation of what
I'm enjoy free senior
the realities
what fasinum nya enjoy free senior as over betina ha wani age
ase na me e yadoma e besa e hye bio